Daddy
and
Kittens.
二胡软笛子古筝埙琵琶葫芦丝
Hello! Today we'll make Chinese musical instrument. To make the Chinese musical instrument, we need 4 screws, 4 elastic rubber bands, plastic food container, scissors. Don't forget, you cannot use the scissors if your parents not around. Paper towel roll and hot glue gun. Don't forget, you cannot use hot glue gun if your parents are not around. Let's start! Repeat after me. Left, middle, right. Game.
琵琶
What is it?
Middle,
葫芦丝
What is it?
right.
软
What is it?
Left,
笛子
What is it?
left.
埙
What is it?
Middle,
古筝
What is it?
right.
二胡
What is it?
Middle. Well done.
Sponsored by IQ English.